My name's Tom Coult and I'm a composer.
And I'm Alice Birch and I'm a writer.
Alice is one of the most interesting and daring young playwrights in this country, and Tom Coult is one of the most gifted and interesting and creative young composers in this country.
Neither of us have written opera before, and we met and sort of started sending each other work.
And that sort of felt like the beginning of a creative conversation.
Mae dod â dramodydd mor greadigol ag Alice Birch sydd â chymynt o unigolaeth I opera am y tro cyntaf yn fenter hynod cyffrous.
Our opera takes place in a village constructed around this central clock tower, and we kind of meet this village through one household.
There is so much to play with musically in this world. You're making a sound world for this village, and especially for this domestic situation.
And Violet is terribly bored.
I think that I've been trying to encourage a sort of sense of claustrophobia.
One day the clock skips time.
The sense that this order is being disrupted is a really exciting thing to play with musically. So our story is told over 24 increasingly short days until that's it. So it's sort of the end of time and space, but told from a kitchen.
It'll be really exciting to have Tom Coult and Alice Birch's piece Violet with us. The piece started at Snape Maltings, a creative campus on the Suffolk coast, and will get its premiere at the world-renowned Aldeburgh Festival.
This will be the perfect way to discover a new kind of opera, real theatre, amazing new music, and now you have the chance to help make this happen.
Dwi'n llongyfarch Music Theatre Wales, Gwyl Aldeburgh a Theatr Magdeburg am cydweithio ar ei gweledigaeth ac yn annog I chi gyd i'w cefnogi wrth iddynt nhw ddod â'i gwaith newydd Violet i'r llwyfan. Pob hwyl, pob lwc, a diolch yn fawr iawn.
Think opera, think again.